Hi everyone, my name is Fredrik Malmgren and I'm very excited to welcome you to this webinar. Thank you for joining and taking the time to learn how Cognibotics innovations can transform pick-and-place operations. Many of you joining are somehow involved in warehouse operations. Some of you are just robot nerds. All of you are equally welcome. Today you will be guided through a short presentation about the HKM1800 by our very own Mats Jonsson. I hand over to Mats to tell you all you need to know about the world's fastest pick-and-place robot.
Cognibotics has robotics in our DNA. We were established out of Lund's Technical University and we have been addressing complex robotics challenges in the industry for more than 10 years within the global community. We are already well known and today we're working with 4 out of 5 biggest robot manufacturers to enhance and improve the performance of their products. My name is Mats Jonsson and I'm the business unit manager for material handling. I'm very excited to have the chance to present the world's fastest pick-and-place robot dedicated for warehousing, the HKM1800. First, let us look at why this revolutionary robot is so important and more specifically what it brings to the table. More than 350 billion packages were shipped worldwide last year, and it is projected that almost 500 billion packages will be shipped already in 2028. 500 billion, that's a staggering number for warehouses to handle. And I think we realize that we are still only in the beginning of e-commerce. Take the e-grocer for example, that has just started. And on top of these requirements, we also have increasing customer demands. For example, quick, correct and traceable deliveries with a minimum of environmental footprint. So how do we scale operations to meet what is coming? Already today, most warehouses have a staff shortage of 10 to 25%. And on top of this, we know there are 20% fewer babies born today compared to 30 years ago, making this shortage even worse going forward. It's also a high probability that fewer of the next generation will accept to work with pick and place. My kids, they would like to be influencers and rock stars instead. My conclusion becomes, it is not a question about if you should automate, but rather a question about when and how to do it. When asking this question to warehouse owners, they tell us, we would like to automate, but it is not easy to navigate in the fast developing automation technology or to know how to implement the chosen new technology. So it is important to find the right advisory and implementation partner, guiding you through this fast evolving warehouse robotics technology to find the right level of automation for your specific needs. With this short video, let us introduce how Cognibotics enhances the productivity of your warehouse automation through a scalable and flexible automated picking system with exceptional reach, speed and range. Enjoy! It's pretty obvious that speed is the key for high productivity, and with that also the long-term competitiveness. The HKM will be the fastest factor in your production today and in the future. The super light arm system of the robot brings the next level of speed at a very low energy consumption. And this speed capability is especially clear along the outer parts of the working space. The HKM can pick 2000 picks per hour, and that is on a 1.5 meter cycle. And to put these 2000 picks per hour into a context, it is 4 times the speed of manual picking. And that happens to be the same speed as you find on the collaborative robots that you normally see doing the pick and place. 4 times the speed. The physical enabler to speed is the Cognibotics designed and patented superlight arm system. The arm system of the robot is only 25 kilograms, which is only 1/10 of the arm weight of a comparable traditional industrial robot with the same kind of reach. The advantage of a superlight arm grows also stronger the further out in the workspace. And this is important when you work in a warehouse with pallets, AMRs, and multiple pick, multiple place positions. The robot's true potential is unlocked when it's paired with reach and speed. The benefit with reach may not be immediately obvious. Let us spend a few minutes to understand more how reach contributes to productivity and a simpler automation solution. The fact that the HKM robot has a 1.8 meter reach, which results in a 10 square meter workspace footprint, enables many new simpler cell layouts. And these wouldn't be possible unless you had this great reach. The reach, for example, eliminates the need for one-off equipment, complex components that surrounds traditional smaller robots. For example, specially made conveyor systems or specialized barcode reading systems designed for confined spaces. The reach further facilitates the straightforward use of standard equipment placed around the robot. And you can place them in the most obvious positions, eliminating spending expensive hours designing compact cells layout that usually results in more complexity. The HKM high speed and long reach is also very valuable for expanding operations, since a good reach adds margins for the future. Flexibility and scalability. For example, when increasing the warehouse flows and changing layouts, you have the reach to do that. One example is found in this picture. We see the robot not only reaching for multiple pick and place totes, but also collaborating with small and big AMRs at the same time. You may not start with this full-blown automation solution, but it is nice to know that you can grow into it. This reach enables us to tie together the different areas of your warehouse better than any alternative robot, providing a unique flexibility and scalability that is very nice to have. All right, we have looked at speed and reach. Let's have a look at what we mean with the word range. Even if it's a bold statement, we say that the HKM1800 can pick virtually anything. This range capability and adaptability to handle different articles, materials, form stabilities, sizes and weights are enabled through a number of keys. The quick tool changer is the most evident key. It enables rapid swapping to any necessary tool within a minimal loss of production time. It changes within seconds. This enables the HKM toolkit that includes vacuum cups in any requested combination, mechanical grippers, magnets, needle grippers and other servo actuated tools to suit whatever the task at hand is. This flexibility means that handling large items like laptop boxes or packages, 7 kilogram meat blender is as feasible as managing delicate items like lipsticks or AirPods or whatever you have in your warehouse. Another important key to achieve a good range is the AI software. With an advanced 3D camera that is fully integrated with the robot. The AI is out of the box able to identify all normal occurring objects and also the relatives that it has not seen before. The AI advises further on what tool the robot should use, what accelerations and speeds the robot can move without the risk of dropping the items. All these components makes the HKM1800 range exceptional. In this video, we see picking samples on normal packages, polybags, small items, but also a large meat blender, I think it is, in the big box. We have learned about the challenges and why speed, reach and range are important for an efficient pick and place operation. Let us also look at the equally important implementation phase too. It is easy, and some might even say fun, to work with us. We support you throughout the whole 5 steps: analysis, simulation, pre-study, implementation, and thereafter requested support. We always start with a complimentary consultation where we together go through your business case and how you could integrate our automation solution in your current warehouse setup. You will get a budget proposal and an initial estimated timeline for the execution of the project. To make every stakeholder fully understand the proposal, we create a 3D visualization for you, showing how the solution is integrated with your environment. This digital model will help you show stakeholders the spatial dynamics and all the components involved when our solution is implemented. A picture is, after all, worth 1,000 words. During the pre-study, we will do a deep dive together with you into the detailing of the content, execution, responsibility, and the time plan. You will get a full map of the implementation project with the collaboration model you prefer. This is a well-defined base for your decision making. What the implementation phase looks like depends on your existing ecosystem of partners and integrators. We're happy to take the full accountability for the implementation to a fully functional integration in line with our pre-study agreement. You will get a team of Cognibotics experts who will take the lead on the project and make sure the implementation is a success. If you already have a strong team of partners, we are flexible and can deliver a smaller part of the automation system that fits your specific needs. When the production is up running, we are only a phone call away for any needs you have, including troubleshooting, follow-up questions, and advice on the next steps. With our complete knowledge of all the system components, we can assure you a peace of mind, at least when it comes to your warehouse automation. Get in touch. We would love to discuss more about your warehouse automation needs and how we can solve them together.